what's up? Welcome to the video. Today we have my buddy Marco here, and this is his brand new 2019 Volkswagen Gti. It's a Mark 7, and when I say brand new, this thing has what, 336,000 miles on it. Also you got
330.
Yeah, 336 miles on it. So it's literally brand new. You guys might remember Marco. He was in the
2009.
Yeah, 2009 Audi A4. It was his car that was straight piped, which he just recently traded in and picked this up, and he bought it for a pretty penny of 34,000.
34,000.
That's a lot. I mean, this thing's nice though. I will give him that for it being brand new. Interior looks good. I guess all the Mark 7s are about the same. This is the first one I've ever been in. Right here's the window sticker. Got all the info on there. Right there. $34,000. You're crazy.
Yeah.
Oh wait, yeah, push to start. Let's break in. Keys are closed. Do I need the key?
Just have it in.
Has all this cool stuff here. See, I'd get too spoiled in these new cars. There's a back shot of the interior from the back seats. Oh, I like how the headlights are red and it goes into the grill.
Oh yeah, I never even noticed that.
That's sweet.
Yeah. And they actually have fog lights too.
Fog lights, where are they at? Down below?
Down there, yeah.
Yeah. Nice. This is a clean engine bay. You got a little snail.
This actually beat a WRX.
Did it?
And Alberto's Mazda Speed 3.
It beat his Speed 3?
Yes.
When did you guys run?
Last night actually.
And you beat him?
Yes.
No way.
He just saw my taillights. So this car is actually a pretty quick car.
Yeah, definitely felt quick. You guys will see that in the video. We rip on it a little bit. Although I advised him not to, because it only has 336 miles, so he hasn't even hit that 500-mile break-in period yet. Considering it's a new car, you know, new motor, you're supposed to do that. But he doesn't care, I guess. So, you know, his car, whatever.
Click all this stuff.
You can click on all this. Vehicle status, tire pressure, monitor system. Oh, it just goes back to vehicle status. What kind of stuff's in the settings? Oh, it's not gonna let me.
I think if you hold car, there's another like thing that comes up.
Oh, that's sweet. Yeah. It's got a boost gauge built in. It's got your G-forces. I'm guessing that's battery charge.
Yeah, I think so.
Or alternator.
But I think you can scroll through like all the...
A lap timer? Yeah. This thing comes with that?
Yeah.
That's freaking awesome, dude. Okay, then it just goes right back to the former. How many pounds of boost does it make?
I have no clue.
That thing's got to be off. There's no way this thing's making 30 pounds of boost. Right from the factory, there's no way.
Yeah.
Nice. Does it have the check engine on? Engine light on yet?
Not yet. Pretty soon.
Pretty soon. That thing will be looking like a Christmas tree in about a month. Just wait. What kind of speakers is it? Fender?
Oh, they're really nice.
Tweeters up here.
They have it has a subwoofer.
Oh, you can adjust all that. That's a cool display. I really like that.
And then like your smartphone, you can hook it up as Samsung. the mirror link, and
Apple.
I think it has Apple too, but I don't know where it's at. But
I can't get. I always forget how clean a brand new car is.
Oh yeah.
Because it's been so long since I've been in a brand new car.
This is actually my first brand new car.
It's your first brand new car?
I never had a brand new car, but I really love this car so far.
So wait, you just didn't want the Audi anymore?
No.
You got tired of it being straight piped?
Yeah, I got tired of it being so loud.
That was quick. That was like 3 weeks.
Yeah.
This thing's got a pretty smooth ride to it, although it does feel extremely stiff. Like the suspension feels really stiff, and I don't know if that's. Does it change on the fly if you have it in sport mode to regular mode?
I'm not quite sure.
Like
I'm not quite sure, but I mean we can kind of try it out right now.
Yeah, because that Audi AS5 I did.
We got Eco, we got Comfort, we got.
Go to Comfort and see how it feels. Let's see if it softens the suspension up.
Check here at this reach.
Yeah. I mean, it still feels stiff, but it definitely feels a little softer. Yeah, that's definitely softer. Way softer, so. How's it feel in normal mode? How'd you get to that?
Normal mode, you just push this.
Oh, you push the mode button?
You just push this. You can customize it, put it on sport, whatever. Eco. One thing that Volkswagen has now is whenever you're stopped, the motor will shut off to save fuel, which I don't like it. So,
yeah, I think that's one of those things that's a lot to get used to, because my buddy's Mercedes is like that. He's got a 2018 and it does that. And then I've seen previous cars that, you know, stoplights, as I'm sitting there, they shut off, and then whenever the lights turn green, you know, they let their foot off the brake and they fire back up.
Yeah.
So I see it all the time, and personally I wouldn't like that. I would just turn it off.
Well, the good thing about this car, you can actually turn it off right here. It has to turn it off. Right there's the traction. Yeah. Right there's the traction control off and all that too, as well. So,
yeah. I remember the Mark IVs, they always had the traction control buttons up here. But obviously, you know, this is not a Mark IV, it's a Mark 7, so it's really updated compared to the Mark IVs. Gets to 100 fast enough. That's all we need to know.
Up here we can do another.
I hate. Like, what made you want to sell the Audi and well, not sell the Audi, trade the Audi in? Did was that straight pipe too much for you?
Yeah, well, the Audi, since it was a 3.2 V6, I couldn't really do anything to it other than do an exhaust and intake. So I wanted something where like I could like mod the hell out of it.
Right, have
and
something
do
to
like
tinker with.
my own style, because like GTIs, you can do like your own style and all that, like whatever you want to put onto it. So that's why I got a GTI, because I want to make it like something I like, you know.
Yeah, for sure. I don't blame you. Well, I can't wait to see more of it. After you put like a tune or something on it, we can do another review and see how it looks there. It's a 90. It's definitely a quick little car. I think these come stock with what, 200?
200 is something. I'm not
Is it a little over 200 from factory?
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Big thanks to my buddy Marco here for taking us on a ride along in his 2019 Volkswagen Gti Mark 7. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to the channel. I have some more exciting cars. Not saying that this one isn't exciting. I mean, it's brand new. This thing is exciting. But I have some higher horsepower cars coming at you hopefully next week, and pretty expensive ones. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to this so you can see those. Turn that bell on for notifications. We'll see you guys later.